Hi guys, welcome you all. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, preposition. Let's get into the session. A preposition is a word that sits before a noun to show the noun's relationship with a nearby word. If we split up the word preposition, we will get preposition. Okay, actually the word preposition tells us the position of a particular object, and the preposition will place before a noun, and it will tells us the relationship between noun and other words in the sentence. Here I have given you two examples. A boy from our village. Here the preposition is from, and it was placed before the noun our village, and it also shows the relationship between our village and a boy. And example number 2, a bone for the dog. In this example, the preposition for stands before the dog, that is noun, and it shows the relationship between the dog and a bone. And if we remove the preposition from a sentence, the total meaning of the sentence will be collapsed. For example, here if we remove from the first example, a boy our village, it will not give any complete meaning to the sentence. And for example 2, a bone the dog, if we remove the preposition from the sentence will not be completed. It is the special character of the preposition. And here I have given you another two examples. The apple on the plate, the noises at night. Here these two prepositions on and at helps to link two words in the sentence to give proper meaning to the sentence. And here I have list out few prepositions. Just go through it. Here I have given some more examples. It is a container for butter. Here the preposition for shows the relationship between butter and the container. And in the example number 2, the eagle soared above the clouds. And here the preposition shows the relationship between the clouds and the eagle. And in the example number 3, he is the president of the United States. Here the preposition of shows the relationship between the United States and the president. So as we told earlier, the preposition will shows the relationship between two words in a sentence. Next, we are about to discuss the types of preposition. Here I have listed out 3 types of preposition. The first one, prepositions of place. The second one, prepositions of time. And finally, prepositions of direction. Let's discuss one by one. First, let we discuss about the preposition of place. Some prepositions show where something happens. They are called prepositions of place. Here I have given you some simple examples for the prepositions of place. Brito was sitting under a tree. Some geese flew over their house. John and Sarah were hiding inside the wardrobe. There was a tree beside the river. I have a friend who lives in America. In these examples, the prepositions under, over, inside, beside and in shows the place. Next, we are about to discuss the prepositions of time. Some prepositions show when something happens. They are called prepositions of time. Here I have given you some examples for prepositions of time. School starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. We are going to the zoo on Saturday. No, you can't watch a video. It's past your bedtime already. I visited my grandparents during the summer. You must finish the work by Friday. I will do my homework before dinner. And in these examples, at, on, past, during, by and before represents the time. Next, we are about to discuss prepositions of direction. Some prepositions show where something is going. They are called prepositions of direction. Here I have given you some examples for prepositions of direction. The boys chased after each other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the riverbank. The freeway goes right through the city. We were traveling towards Miami. In these examples, after, down, along, right and towards represents the direction. Okay guys, here I have given you some simple exercise to follow. Try it by your own. Definitely these examples and exercises will make you familiar with preposition. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.